What's up, guys? It's Paul here from Fishing the 401. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from the Hooked Up Tackle. This is also the giveaway update, so if you want to watch all the way till the end, I will give the update at the end of the video. But without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing, and I hope you enjoy the video. Got a lot of goodies in here today. All right. It's piece of paper. I don't need that. So, I went and ordered some Spock Shads, Megabass. I'm going to be pairing these up. I'm going to use this as like a tight line technique. I'm going to be pairing them up with the Rashi heads. Should do well in cold water. These are 1/16 of an ounce. I'm going to pair them with that. So, should do good in cold water. These are 3 inches. These are in the USAIU. Next up, I heard a lot of talk about these, and I wanted to try them out. These are the OSP Do Live Stick 3-inch. These are in, I don't know what color they're in, but it looks like green pumpkin. I don't remember. Yeah, this is green pumpkin. It's all in like Japanese, and I can't read that. Then I got some in, these are the bit bigger ones. I think these are the 4-inch. Yeah, these are the 4.5-inch. I forgot the color, but the color is like a green pumpkin with the black and blue. And then I got some in black. These are the 3-inch again. These are going to be good on a drop shot. The bigger ones, the 4.5s, I basically got these. I'm going to rig them like a fluke. Or, you know, I can wacky rig them like a Senko. They're a pretty cool looking bait. I'm going to take one out. But it's kind of like it's got like a fluke shape. Just without the spade tail. But it should have a lot of action. Could even throw these on a shaky head or a Ned rig. Especially the small ones you can throw on a Ned rig. Well, I just dropped the whole box of tackle. All right. Let's move on to the next thing here. What else do we got? Well, I got some dye, some lure dye in black. Some baits that I throw, they don't have just straight black, so I like to dye them. So I got some Spike It in black. Next up, we got some Bellows Sticks by G-Crack. Again, I don't know the color. It's in Japanese. I'll take one out, get a closer look. Oh, these things stink. But you could probably throw that on a shaky head. There's a lot of action to it. You know, these ribs will displace a lot of water, especially on a shaky head. It's mainly what I got them for. Throw them on a shaky head. You can wacky rig them if you want. You can also throw it on, you know, a Texas rig weightless. Throw it with a weight, however you want to do it. The rigging options for that are endless. So those are in 4.8-inch. And then I also got them in the 3.8-inch. Again, Ned rig. Probably work really well. Just dropped them. Then we got the SV3 Double Willow 1/2 ounce Megabass. It's a good looking spinnerbait. I'm gonna test it this year. I'm very picky on spinnerbaits. I used to throw the T1 Terminator. They don't make them no more. So I've been testing out spinnerbaits for the last year and a half now, and I can't seem to find one I like. So hopefully I like these. These are the SV3s as well. This one's the double willow. This one is in black and blue for that stained muddy water. This one is the slow roll. So this is like that ice out, like you know, New England, like early March. Well, I wouldn't say early March, but mid to late March, early April. That's what I'm going to be throwing in that gill pattern. That's a 1/2 ounce. Slow roll right through the weeds as the weeds are starting to come up. Then I got one in the fire red. It's a great springtime color. Red, can't beat it in the spring. Really triggers a lot of bites. This is the slow roll as well. This one is also the slow roll. This is in the Wakasagi. Again, great looking spinnerbaits. Great for, this one's good for clear water, cold clear water. We got some more spark shads. Got them in the USA Royal Gill. Again, going to be pairing them up with those Arashi heads, or however you pronounce it. Then we got the Jamaica Boa in green pumpkin. Then we got some Mega Bass Custom Worm Haze Dong Shad in 3-inch. Also going to be pairing those up with these heads here. So, the cold water technique that I like to use here in New England. It gets a lot of bites. There should be one more thing. Seems to be missing. Don't know where it is. All right, well, I found the other thing that I was missing. I don't know what could be in here, but let's find out. Let's open her up. Hopefully it's something good. Man, they put a lot of tape on this thing. I don't really have my knife. This did not come from the Hooked Up Tackle. I ordered this from Tackle Supply Depot. They're local. They're right over the border in Connecticut, not far from me. But they have a lot of great products too. Especially if you're local, you should check them out. Try to support local businesses. If you're in the Rhode Island, Mass, Connecticut area, they're like an hour drive from Mass and Rhode Island, depending on what part of Rhode Island you're in. Still having some technical difficulties here. I'll get back to you guys when I get this open. All right, finally got the cap off. Now that's all that came in the tube. That was it. Just a bunch of that was it. Just a bunch of bubble wrap. Man, they package this they package this thing pretty good. Well, it looks like it's intact. Uh-oh. I cannot wait to see this thing. Right. This is the brand new Shimano 7'2". All right, this is the brand new Shimano Zodius 7'2" medium heavy. Check this thing out. I'm really digging this. EVA foam right here. Super light. This is all I run is Zodius rods. Zodius, Poison Andrena, and the X Prides. This is a really nice rod. This is in replacement to this rod here. I'm replacing this rod. It's snapped in a tournament. Oh, this is the older. You can see the difference. This is the older one, the older model. It's all EVA foam all the way to the bottom. This is like I'm not quite sure what this is. But it's got Zodius down here. This one doesn't. It's got EVA foam up here. It's a complete different butt end design. Even the rail seat's different on this one compared to this one. But I'm totally digging the new rod. I like the new design. It's a pretty nice rod. That's all I use. Like I said, Shimano Zodius, great rods. But it's going to be getting paired up with my Chronoc. I love this reel. So smooth. Alright, so that's going to wrap it all up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite bait was in this video. Also, this is the update on the giveaway. I'm going to let it run for a little while longer. I'll leave a link in the description below on the giveaway and how to enter. I'll leave the link to the video for that down below, or maybe a little thing up top over here. But until next time, guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and tight lines. I'm out.